Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Mira from K-pop Demon Hunters holding a heart, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper in half. We're going to start in the middle, drawing in an arch line for that nose. Let's come underneath, coming across on the left. We're going to curve this around and through on the right. Let's come up on a diagonal now. For the eye, drawing in a circle on that left-hand side. And then we'll step across doing the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Let's add in our highlight on the inside edge here. We're going to draw in a nice big circle for our first highlight. We'll do the same on the right. And now let's come down on a diagonal, making the second circle smaller. Let's color in the eye black now. Let's add in some eyelashes. On the top left, we're going to curve this line out, pulling that back down. We'll do the exact same thing, stepping underneath. Just color them in black. And then we'll step across to the right, replicating that again. Let's draw in our eyebrows now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round out that inside edge now. So we're going to curve this around, pulling that over and down in the corner, connecting that together. Now let's move up. In the center, we're going to draw in a straight line coming up for the hair. We'll draw in our bangs from this. So on the left-hand side, curving this up, pulling this around and down on the bottom. And now let's do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, curving this around, pulling that in, ending that at the same height. Let's come out. So on that corner here, we're going to curve this all the way around, pulling that in. And then we'll start on the right-hand side, curving this out, connecting this on the side. Let's close off the bottom of our head now. So we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. Let's close off the top of the hair. So on the left, arching this around and down on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We'll add in the pigtails and everything after, but we'll focus on the body first because they're going to fall in behind. So we'll start with the neck underneath, drawing in a curved line from left to right. We're going to arch this line out for the shoulder on both sides. And then now from here, let's come down right in the center. We're going to draw in a small dot there. This is where our heart is going to come out from. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this up, pulling this down on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're just going to end this so it almost ends on a diagonal from our shoulder line. Now from here on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. We'll add in a little pattern. So coming up in the center, curving this up, over, pulling that back down. And then in the middle, replicating that again. Let's come out. We're going to curve this over and through. Same thing on the right. And now let's close off that t-shirt line. So we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the heart. Let's move down, drawing in the first finger. We're going to arch this over, pulling that back in. Now moving down in the center, replicating that, curving that out. And then one more time for the pinky, curving this around. But we're going to continue this. We're going to pull this through on the top. Let's close off the arm, bringing this out and back in. Now for the heart on the left-hand side, curving this diagonal line in towards the center, ending this at the same distance. And then we're going to pull this back through on the right, arching that up. Let's draw on the skirt. We're going to draw in a diagonal line on the left and right-hand side. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Let's move up, replicating that again. Let's draw on the pockets. So we're going to curve this out. Now for the legs, leaving a gap, we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then for the foot, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back in. Let's bring this line back up on a diagonal. Now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through. Let's close off the sole of the shoe, curving this around and back in. Right in the center here now, we're going to draw in a rectangle. So we're going to draw in a straight line on the top and bottom. Let's close this off with a straight line on either side. And now we'll draw in 2 straight lines coming across. We'll draw in that star pattern. So on the left hand side, bringing this diagonal line out, we'll do the exact same thing on the right. We'll bring this back in again towards the top. Let's bring this out and over. And then now from here, we're just going to draw this diagonal line coming up. Now let's add in the pigtails behind. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line down. Moving in behind, stepping up, we're going to curve this line out, down, and in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side. Let's continue this. So we're going to flare this out. So we're going to curve this over to the left, pulling that back in. Doing the exact same thing on the right. Ending that at the same height. Now from here, from that point, curving this up towards the top. Let's extend this back in. So curving this over, pulling that through. And then again, just curving that in towards the skirt. And that is it. That's how you draw Mira holding a heart from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.